Now that, let's call it, we've integrated the solution, we've rolled it out on the IT side, we've gotten team buy-in. How do you keep the momentum up so that people continuously use a CMMS, so that you're continuously gathering new insights, new data to make smarter decisions?
9 times out of 10, if you establish that team buy-in from the onset in the demo phase, okay, letting the maintenance team let their voice be heard, so to speak, okay. Normally, if you get them in that phase, you'll get your data sets. At that point, they'll be excited about the system. Now, you may have a couple of stragglers, some of the older guys, some of the smarter guys in the industry, right, are not real tech savvy. Let them lean on these younger guys to show them, how to work the system, how to input the data, how to pull parts over, how to create multiple parts to it. So that's what I've always looked at to get people to continue working the system.
Yeah.
Let them have the keys to the kingdom, and request feedback. That's another thing. You got to get feedback from them. Hey, how do you like this system? And it's okay. Okay, what's the problem? Come here, let's talk about it. I've done that before. I've had to create workarounds or different solutions for CMMS systems that weren't too robust, and unfortunately, I've had the the luxury of working with I think it's 13 or 14 different CMMS programs thus far in my career. So
Wow.
that's a lot. I've seen pretty much all of it.